Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2019 Holden Trax LS, stock reference number 5128. This shape runs from the 10th month 2016 through to the 12th month 2020. It has an A14 NET 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. A14 NET 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. We have the left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has one small dent, left rear door appears to have no damage, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light, tidy rear bumper cover, tailgate appears to have no damage, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door appears to have no damage, right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory MyLite media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.